Vice President Jejomar Binay might still be looking for a running mate, but the standard bearer of the United Nationalist Alliance remains optimistic as he faces the people of Mindanao. Misamis Oriental is a Binay bailiwick, where more than 800,000 voters are currently registered as of July 2015.
Ang araw na ito ay espesyal, hindi lamang sa akin at sa United Nationalist Alliance o UNA, kundi sa buong Mindanao. Ang pagsanib ng inyong mga leader dito sa katimugan ng Pilipinas sa UNA ay patunay na naniniwala kayo sa adikain ng Partido UNA.
In 2010, Binay won over Mar Rojas in the province for vice president with 164,448 votes versus Rojas's 120,442.
Mainitin na pagtanggap namin sa inyo sa lalawigan ng Misamis Oriental. Lahat naniniwala, lahat sumusuporta sa susunod na presidente ng Pilipinas, President Jejomar Binay!
After the local leaders swear their oath as members of UNA,
arugain ang kapayapaan at kaunlaran.
The Vice President bears his promises for Mindanao, ending the electricity shortage, attracting foreign investors, providing more jobs, and finishing infrastructure projects.
Dito po sa Cagayan de Oro, batid ko ang pagdanais ng inyong lokal na pamahalaan para makapagtayo ng isang international airport. Na alam ko na malaki ang maitutulong sa inyo. Dahil ang Cagayan de Oro ay tinuturing na gateway ng Mindanao dito sa northern part, kasama sa plano ko ang expansion ng inyong highway mula Cagayan de Oro hanggang Iligan City.
Local leaders are optimistic of Binay's chances in 2016.
The chances, I think, is good in Mindanao because the Vice President has gone probably to almost towns and cities in Mindanao, have eaten in most of the public markets.
God knows and the Vice President knows that we will try very, very hard to work and campaign for him because we believe on his programs.
Although Binay may be lagging behind in recent election polls, UNA's regional launch in Mindanao shows grassroots support for the Vice President is still strong. The event in Misamis Oriental is only the beginning of UNA's regional launches across the country, with the next one happening in Cebu next week. For the Vice President and his party, the work has just begun. Mara Cepeda, Rappler, Misamis Oriental.